What if you fell into a black hole? It's the ultimate cosmic nightmare and a question that stretches the limits of physics and imagination. Your fate, it turns out, depends entirely on whose perspective you care about, yours or everyone else's. And the two stories could not be more different. From the perspective of an outside observer, like your crewmates on a spaceship, your descent towards the event horizon would be one of the most bizarre and terrifyingly slow spectacles in the universe. As you fall towards the point of no return, the immense gravitational pull of the black hole would cause extreme time dilation. Your signals back to the ship would stretch out, shifting to lower and lower frequencies. Your image would slow down, redden, and fade. To your friends watching, you would appear to move in slower and slower motion, freezing just at the threshold of the event horizon. You would never quite seem to cross it, your image eternally etched onto the edge of the black hole like a ghost, a fading monument to your journey. In their reality, you would never actually fall in, you just fade from existence over an eternity. But your experience, your reality, would be utterly different. For you, the fall would be swift and violent. This is spaghettification. The gravitational pull on your feet would be unimaginably stronger than the pull on your head. Your body would be stretched into a long, thin stream of atoms, a human noodle pulled apart by forces beyond comprehension. Every molecule would be torn from its neighbor. You wouldn't just die, you would be disassembled into your most fundamental components long before you reach the central singularity. But let's assume for a moment a fantastical technological miracle. You're in a ship of indestructible material, immune to these tidal forces. You cross the event horizon. The point of no return isn't a physical wall, it's a mathematical boundary. Once inside, the universe as you know it ceases to exist. The most profound change is in the fabric of space-time itself. All paths, every possible direction you could travel, now lead inexorably one way, forward, toward the singularity at the center. Forward is no longer a choice, it is a command. You could no more avoid moving toward the center than you could avoid moving forward in time. It is your only possible future. Looking out from inside the event horizon, you might see the entire future history of the universe play out in a flash of blinding light. All the light falling in after you, all the events yet to happen would be focused and accelerated from your perspective. You would witness stars dying, galaxies colliding, and the eventual heat death of the cosmos, all in an instant. It would be the ultimate and final cosmic show. And then the singularity. Physics breaks down here. It is a point of infinite density where the laws of general relativity and quantum mechanics collide and fail. We simply do not know what happens. Perhaps you are crushed into the fundamental building blocks of the universe. Perhaps you are ejected into another universe or another time through a hypothetical wormhole, though there is no evidence for this. Perhaps the information that was you is somehow preserved on the event horizon, a holographic fossil for the rest of time. The final sobering truth is this. Falling into a black hole is a one-way trip into the greatest unknown in physics. For the outside universe, you become a frozen, timeless memory. For you, it is a brief, violent, and ultimately physics-shattering journey to the edge of reality itself. It is the ultimate reminder that some frontiers are not meant to be crossed.